Hope you all are safe and are doing great. So as you saw, my other video of the mind map of the chapter is matter around is pure. That mind map is extremely important. If you haven't watched that video of just 1 minute, go down to the description box below and you will find it. So first of all, we have discussed that matter is actually classified into pure and impure substances. Pure substances are those substances in which there is only one type of particle. सिर्फ एक ही टाइप का पार्टिकल रहता है, ठीक है. एंड देन वी टॉक्ड अबाउट दैट इन प्योर सब्सटेंसेज अगेन वी हैव टू टाइप्स. वी हैव एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड्स, एंड एलिमेंट्स फर्दर हैज थ्री टाइप्स: metals, non-metals and metalloids. And in the today's lecture we're going to discuss about the pure substances, and in pure substances only about elements. एलिमेंट्स वो चीज़ें होती हैं जो सिर्फ एक टाइप ऑफ पार्टिकल, एटम या मॉलिक्यूल से बने रहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ अ हाइड्रोजन बार. सो ऑल द एटम्स प्रेजेंट इनसाइड इट आर हाइड्रोजन एटम. सारे हाइड्रोजन एटम्स ही प्रेजेंट हैं. सो दिस इज एलिमेंट. So elements can be of three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. So most of the I'll link down a picture of a periodic table as well. Just click on that picture right now, my friends. So there you can see that there is a periodic table, and there are many number of elements. There are many number of elements which are actually metals. Many more majority of them are belonging to actually to the metal category. Metal can be hydrogen, it can be potassium, it can be sodium. These are few examples. Rest you can see in the periodic table. Then we're talking about some properties of metals. What are the properties of metals? That metals are sonorous. ये आवाज़ create करते हैं. They have a special ringing sound. Metals are ductile. Metals जो है, एक metal है, for example iron है. So I can convert this iron into long sheets, into long pipes. I can convert this into pipes. सबसे ज़्यादा ductile we substance or metal which we have is gold, and then copper. That's why we use copper wires, silver wires. Then we have malleable. Malleable मतलब that they can be beaten up into sheets. हम इनको sheets की तरह, एक पतली पतली sheets की तरह हम इनको beat कर सकते हैं. Like there are gold sheets which are there on the sweets. There are silver sheets, बहुत पतली होती हैं. And then we use one in among our daily lives which is foil. Foil is nothing but malleable aluminium. एल्यूमिनियम मेटल को हमने बीट किया होता है जिससे हमें फॉयल मिलता है. Then these metals are hard. These are very hard. An exception is mercury, because mercury is present in the liquid state and it is soft. And the exception is sodium and potassium, because sodium and potassium can be easily cut through your knife. So these are certain exceptions. जहाँ pros होते हैं वहाँ cons रहते हैं, जहाँ facts रहते हैं वहाँ आपके exceptions भी रहते ही हैं. Now talking about one more property of metal, that these are good conductors of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity की बहुत ही अच्छे conductors रहते हैं. That's why जो हमारे अंदर की जो वायरिंग होती है that is made up of metals. This is the reason these are lustrous. Lustrous means ये shiny रहते हैं. नॉन मेटल्स में हमने कार्बन ले लिया, नाइट्रोजन ले लिया, ऑक्सीजन ले लिया. ये सारे हमारे नॉन मेटल्स हो गए. हीलियम ले लिया. These non-metals are generally present in the liquid, actually present in the gaseous state. लेकिन हमारा ब्रोमीन जो है वो एक liquid state में भी present रहता है. One more exception is कि इसका complete opposite properties opposite of metals. ये sonorous नहीं रहते, ductile नहीं रहते, malleable नहीं रहते, hard नहीं रहते, good conductors of heat and electricity नहीं रहते, lustrous भी नहीं रहते. Of course exceptions are present. And metalloids क्या होते हैं? Metalloids are a mixture of, metalloids are those elements which has the properties of both metals and non-metals. दोनों की properties रहती हैं. कुछ non-metals metalloids ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं वो shiny हैं लेकिन वो ductile नहीं है, वो sonorous है लेकिन वो hard नहीं है, like this opposite. So here we have a metalloid which is silicon. Silicon is a metalloid. See you in the next lecture.